All right, this is a cold start. Look at that. First try starts right up. Got some MGO Shorty performance mufflers. Let's put this Nighthawk engine in. LEDs all around. Turn signals front and rear. Brand new front tire, brand new front tube, balance beads. Custom indicator lights, high beams, low beams, neutral. This is a cool bike, man. This gets some attention for sure. New air filter, new air filter springs. There's just too many new parts to list. I wouldn't hesitate to take this thing cross country tomorrow. I've been using this as my daily commuter to work, about 36 miles round trip. It's given me absolutely no problems whatsoever. And it's only a 250, but it's a lot faster than you think because it's lightened about 80 pounds over stock. It's got the Nighthawk engine, which is a little more power than the 90s Rebels, 2000 Rebels. And of course, it's got the exhaust modified, and it's jetted too. I forgot to mention that. It's got a jet kit in it. So this thing cruises, got nice torque, and got lots of extra parts that come with it. Let's give it a wrap on the throttle. Look at that, no backfiring, no stumbling, no hesitating. This hasn't been started in 24 hours.